APG-Neuros presents the Turbo Blower, a new generation of air-bearing blowers combining aeronautic technology and efficiency in a small, plug-and-play unit. Let's take a look and see how the technology works. At the heart of the turbo blower is the high-speed permanent magnet synchronous motor driving the high-efficiency single-stage impeller assembled together within the blower core. Upon activation of the motor by the inverter, the air is drawn by the impeller through a series of cooling fins, keeping the motor cool before exiting through the air outlet. There is no need for an additional external cooling system. There is no heat exhausted to the blower room. The air bearing is composed of two parts: a bump foil and a high-speed temperature inner liner. As the rotor speeds up, a thin film of air creates a cushion between the rotor shaft and the bearing surfaces. This innovative bearing technology provides clean, oil-free air. At a wastewater management facility in St. Pie, Quebec, we can see a turbo blower hard at work providing air for this activated sludge. This was the first unit to be installed in North America in 2006 and was installed outside to measure its performance and efficiency and to test how it would handle Canada's extreme weather conditions of cold winters and hot, humid summers. It is now reaching 30,000 operating hours and working like new. In Granby, Quebec, we can see a bigger NX300 providing air for this reservoir to oxygenate the municipality's tap water. The plant engineers and managers were truly impressed by their findings.
Our technology is such that no other competitors have that, so we are considered first in our class.
It's exciting to be part of this new technology that is really needed almost everywhere.
They found that the turbo blower excelled in many respects. Energy efficiency. The turbo blower is significantly more efficient in power consumption compared with traditional blowers. It is also the most efficient system amongst the same class of high-speed turbo blowers. Low noise and vibration. The turbo blower produces very little noise when compared to old technology blowers. All models come encased in sound dampening enclosures that eliminate most of the noise coming from the engine. This noise can be reduced even further when attaching the discharge silencer. It generates little vibration thanks to the high-speed electric motor that is kept separate from the mainframe with special elastomeric shock mounts. Infrastructure and installation. It is compact. The typical model is just 155 centimeters or 62 inches in length, 77 centimeters or 30 inches wide, and 135 centimeters or 54 inches tall. Construction costs are also an important issue to take into account when choosing your equipment. Thanks to its compact size and limited vibration, the turbo blower requires no special foundation work.
The older technology is large, ours is small. The older technology is noisy, ours is not as loud and intrusive, and the cost savings is pretty extraordinary.
In the standard configuration, the turbo blower unit contains the blower body, the inverter, and the control panel. Other configuration options are available, including a separate inverter and control unit, and several different engine sizes, making the APG-Neuros high-speed turbo blower easy to install and imposing a greatly reduced system footprint. Control and operation. The turbo blower is controlled by a digital touch screen that is easy to navigate and requires no special training to operate. All operations and performance information can be viewed through graphs and tables. It is very easy to know exactly what is going on inside the turbo blower at any given time with the control panel. Certification. The APG-Neuros turbo blower is certified as a complete product by the UL and CSA and meets CE requirements. Low maintenance cost. There are no oils and no belts to change ever. The only scheduled maintenance is to verify and change the 10-micron intake filter if necessary. Cooling is internal to units by glycol fluid or air depending on the model. No external connections are required. Developed by APG-Neuros with Neuros Company, we can find these blowers installed in a variety of municipal and industrial applications all over North America, Europe, the Middle East, South Korea, China, and Japan. They are used in wastewater treatment, paper mills, food and beverage industries, electronics plants, health facilities, and any application requiring an oil-free industrial aeration system. In 2009, a production facility was opened in Plattsburgh, New York, to produce and provide support for the turbo blowers operating in North America and Europe. A corporate headquarters was built in 2011 in Montreal, Quebec, that serves as head of operations and houses the company's project management, sales and service management, and corporate administration. APG-Neuros deliveries in the Western world continue to expand, with over 1,000 units delivered in North America, in addition to dozens of units in Mexico and Europe. Over 120 units are currently on order and are soon to be delivered to customers. APG-Neuros has received multiple awards, including one of the top 500 fastest-growing Canadian companies by Profit Magazine, one of the Best of Canada companies by Canadian and U.S. Business Executive Magazine, and Best Technology Product in 2016 by Corporate Vision Magazine in Europe. With ultra-efficient operation and revolutionary design, saving you thousands of dollars a year in construction costs, maintenance, and power consumption, the choice becomes easy. The APG-Neuros Turbo Blower, a new generation of aeration systems. To find out more about the APG-Neuros Turbo Blower, visit our website at www.apg-neuros.com.